the society into the work of Islam. It is the opposite. When you find that he's handicapped, he's unfit, so you say, okay, then you remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You give the leftover for Islam. People say, when I become old, I will dedicate and to earn a prophet's reward. Allah does not require us. With or without you, with or without me, Islam is going to prevail over all the other ways of life. Allah is giving us an opportunity to make hay while the sun is shining. If you know that this business is going to get you profit, you will invest your every penny. We say that we believe in the Quran verbally, but actually we do not believe in it. If we would have faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we would have seen to it that we put every grain, as Allah said, as I mentioned earlier, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 261, that if you sow one grain, one corn in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will give you 7 years, each year bearing 100 corn. 700 times profit. Allah is promising you. But we don't have faith. We say we believe in the Quran verbally, but practically we don't. How many people of us, how much time do we give? How much energy do we give for Islam, for the propagation? How much money do we spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? How much? Allah is giving us the promise. Allah is giving us an opportunity to make hay while the sun is shining. Do a prophet's job and earn a prophet's reward. I would like to end my talk by giving the quotation from the Holy Quran from Surah Nahl chapter number 16 verse 125. We say, "Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal mau'izati al hasana wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan," which means invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that are best and most gracious. Wa akhir da'wan alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Thank you, Dr. Zakir, for the enlightening lecture. Now we are entering into more interesting part of the program, the question and answer session. I am sure many of you may be having many questions to pose Dr. Zakir. So, please, brothers, whoever wants to ask question, please come over here.
Child, a full-time dai, what provisions do we have? Firstly, brother, I cannot give a direct answer regarding the situation, since I don't have background, where are you staying, etc. If you were there in Bombay, I would have asked you to join the IRA. Then I said, Alan was Alan. If you were there in Bombay, since you are not there in Bombay, I don't know where do you stay and what's your background, etc. But if you're in Bombay, we would have asked you to join the IRF because we have several, alhamdulillah, full-time dais in IRF. What we can do, brother, I believe there are various Daawah centers out here. Like, for example, Jeddah Daawah Center, etc. You can see what the feasibility is there. Or if you wish that you'd like to come back to the country from where you come, I believe you are from India. So you're most welcome in your city, or if you'd like to come to Bombay, you're most welcome. Regarding the plans that we have provisions for children, for those people who would like to make the children dais, same but naturally I would like to make Mehfana dai, that we have certain training programs in Bombay, where we train the people how to do Daawah. Even though they don't want to be a full-time dai, even we train how to be a part-time dai. It's not that only those people who want to be full-time dai should come to organization. We have people who are doctors, who are practicing medicine, who are practicing English, who are practicing engineering, but still give lectures and do Daawah. What we have in our organization, that we regularly have programs thrice a week. On Saturdays, Sundays and Mondays, every week we have 3 programs. And the main attraction one is the one we have on Sunday, where we give lectures. Lectures are given by myself and by other speakers, and which is always followed by question and answer session. And the question and answer session is, if I'm there in Bombay, it's always handled by me, alhamdulillah. Here are the people who have queries, they ask questions and it gets verified. And every Sunday we have a different topic, even on Saturdays and Mondays.